what about when you're already retired? I mean, that, like you said, that just seems scary. I can't imagine. You're like, okay, I just stopped with my regular income and now I'm this and the world around me is ending.
Well, so it depends on if you just retired, then yes, that's kind of goes into that sequence of returns. But if you've been retired for a while, let's go back and look at, okay, what happens during a recession? All right, well, business profits take a hit, unemployment rises, businesses cut back, shut down, prices fall, banks lend less. Okay, well, unemployment doesn't impact you because you're not employed, you're retired.
True.
Asset prices fall, but this is still a time, like always, to reassess your risk tolerance, make sure you're properly balanced, rebalance your buckets if you're using that bucket strategy. If you are not implementing the bucket strategy and you're taking out 5, 6, or 7, or even more of a percentage rate for withdrawals, you want to tackle your expenses. If we see a drop in the market that's sustainable for a long period of time and you're taking out a 7% withdrawal rate, that might not be sustainable for the next 15 or 20 years or how long you need to have your money last. So
with that in mind, then I guess, is a recession a good thing for somebody who's comfortable in retirement?
I'm never going to say that recession is a good thing, but yeah, we have a lot of clients that have money that they're not going to touch for a long time. And so, or ever.
If ever.
Yeah. And so for those people, if you've got a steady income, whether it's from a pension or Social Security, and you've got assets that you're utilizing the bucket strategy and you feel confident that stocks are going to return over time, and you're not the type that worries about fluctuations in the market.
Which, by the way, good job, you little saver.
That's right. If that's you, this is recessions are a good time to take advantage of lower prices. If you've got a big ticket item that you need to buy or want to buy.
Car wash.
Not a car wash, but maybe a car if those go on sale. Maybe a vacation home if you're looking for them, because we know housing prices come down. Maybe a vacation, something that's a big ticket item that will be cheaper in a recession.
What kind of vacation are you taking?
Not one that has car washes in it. So I'm never going to say a recession is a good thing, but you can use it to your advantage, because if stocks are falling, well, this gives you time to rebalance and buy stocks as they're lower. And there are buying opportunities in a recession, not just with financial assets like stocks, but in things like vacations and, luxury things or leisure things that you
tangible items.
Yeah, tangible items, exactly. So you can look at it as a positive. I hate that every single news program always wants to scare everybody that a recession's on the way. It's just, and so many articles are going to tell you how to recession-proof your portfolio today. And it's just, I don't think that it's something that you need to rush to make all these major changes to your life, your portfolio. It's minor changes. It's preparing mentally for what could be a slowdown in the economy, and use this time to get ready to maybe take advantage of something that goes on sale.